In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact your instructor on Udemy. This process is pretty straightforward, but there are a few things you should be aware of to ensure you reach out to your instructor effectively. Whether you have questions about your course, need clarification on a topic, or just want to share some feedback, knowing how to navigate this communication channel can be incredibly helpful. First, you'll want to start by going to the course player. This is where you access all your course materials, including videos and other resources. Once you're there, look just beneath the course player for the Overview tab. Clicking on this tab will take you to a different section of the course page where you'll find more information about your course, the curriculum, and importantly, the instructor. As you scroll down through the Overview section, keep an eye out for the instructor area. This is usually located a bit further down the page. Here, you'll find some details about the person leading your course, such as their name and perhaps a short biography or list of credentials. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with these details, as they can give you better context about the instructor's background and expertise. Once you locate the instructor section, you should see the instructor's name listed. Clicking on their name will direct you to their Udemy profile page. This page can provide you with more comprehensive information about the instructor, including their other courses, reviews from students, and professional background. It's worth taking a moment to explore this page if you haven't done so already, as it can also offer insights into their teaching style and areas of expertise. Now, here's the crucial part. Not all instructors will have their messaging feature enabled. If the instructor has opted to turn on their messaging feature, you'll see a button that says Send Message. Simply click on this button to open a communication window. If this option is available, it provides you with a direct line to the instructor, allowing you to ask questions or seek guidance on course-related matters. In cases where the messaging feature is not enabled, it may mean that the instructor has chosen to communicate with students through other means, such as through the course Q&A section or during live sessions if offered. Always check your course resources or any announcements for alternative ways to get in touch if you don't see the messaging option. Remember, when reaching out, clarity and politeness go a long way. Clearly state your question or concern and provide any relevant details that might help the instructor understand your context. Being respectful and concise will likely yield the best results. Good luck, and happy learning on Udemy.